Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19 Excel Chapter 5 HOE Assessment Fine Arts. In its project description, you are an analyst for fine art dealer. Customers are especially fond of James C. You prepared a list of his artwork, title of each piece of art, type, the medium such as limited edition print or anniversary edition canvas, edition size, how many copies were produced for purchase, release date, issue price, estimate value. Studying the data will help you to discuss the value trend with the art collector. That's our project description. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in any exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name Exp19 Excel Chapter 5 HOE Assessment Fine Arts. I have already opened this file. That's our file. We will move to our second step. Our second step is before using the subtotal command, the data must be sorted by categories. On the subtotal worksheet, we will move to the subtotal worksheet. That our subtotal worksheet. What is saying? Perform a three-level sort by status, then by type, and finally by title in alphabetical order. So we will go to the sort. Here we will select the sort. We will select the custom sort, and what levels first we need to add the level of type. By type we will select by type in the alphabetical order. Second level of sort is the first level by status, then type. First level is status, then type, and third one is by title in alphabetical order. By title we will select by title in alphabetical order. We have applied three type of sort and we will press OK. So our data is now sorted. That's our second step. We will move to our third step. Our third step is you want to subtotal data to identify the highest issue price, estimate value, and percentage change by status category and the type of artwork. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by status to identify the highest maximum issue price, estimation value, and change. Then add a second subtotal. So we will go to the subtotal. We will select this one. We will go to the data, and in the group we will select the subtotal. And first, what is he saying? Insert a subtotal rows by status. So we will select the by status. Identify the highest maximum issue price. So what he want to show us? Maximum for a function, highest, what which one? Highest issue price, estimation value, and change. So we will press OK. So it's now identified. First level of subtotal is applied. Then add a second level subtotal by type. So we will add a second level subtotal by using by type. We will use the type and the same function and columns. So we will select the same function and column. We don't replace the subtotal current subtotals. We will press OK. So we have got our result like that. That's our third step. Our fourth step is you want to apply an outline so that you can collapse values used for the formula in the column map. Then you will collapse the subtotal rows. Apply an outline, auto outline So we will select the auto outline. Here in the group, we will select the auto outline. We will press OK, modify the existing outline. And then what he is saying, click the collapse button above the column F. So we will go to the column F, and here we will collapse this one. Now it's collapsed. Collapse the data by displaying only subtotal and grand total rows. So we will collapse this one also. These all also. So we will show the subtotal and grand total only, like that. Like that, sold out maximum and grand maximum. That's our set a print area to B1 to F48. So we will go to the page layout, and here in the print area we will select the set a print area. You have selected a single cell, so we will select the if which one cells he is asking. He is asking for B1 to F48, so we will select B1 to F48 as a print area. Select set print area. That's our print area now. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is a pivot table. Give additional perspective to data. You will use the artwork worksheet to create the recommended pivot table. Use the artwork worksheet. So we will go to the artwork worksheet. That's our artwork sheet. To create the recommended pivot table called sum of issue price by type on a new worksheet name as a sold out. So we will go to the insert, and we will go to the recommended pivot tables, and here which one we need to select, sum of issue price by type. We will select sum of issue price by type, that's the first one, and we will press OK. And we have got the our pivot table in the new slide, and we will rename this one slide as a sold out. We will copy this and rename this one sheet 1 as a sold out. That's our step. Make user create a pivot includes a, that is for Mac user, name the pivot table as a R type. So we will copy this and name the pivot table as a, we will go here, we will select the pivot table, we will go here and rename this one as a pivot table as a R type and press enter. So now we have given the name as a R type. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is, currently the pivot table contains the issue price field. You will add and the estimation field to the compare the difference between the total values of art based on the issue price and estimated value today. Add the estimated value field below the sum of the issue price in the value areas. So we need to add estimated value in the values area. Estimate value, we will select estimate value and paste it as a downside of the sum of the issue price in the values column. So it's now pasted. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is, you want to display the average values instead of sum of the values in each category. Modify the two value fields to determine the average issue price and average estimation value by type. So change the custom names of average issue price and average estimation value. So we will go here, we will go to the view value field setting, and we will select as average and press OK. So it's now average of issue price. We will go again here in the, we will select average and press OK. So now it's average of issue price and average of estimation value, and we need to change their names as a average issue price. Here we will change as a average issue price and also average estimation value. Here in the cell C3 we will change the value as a average estimation value. That's our 7th step. Our 8th step is format the two values field with the accounting number type with the 0 decimal. So we will go to the field setting. Here we will select this one. We will go to the value setting and we will go to the number format, and we will select the accounting number with the 0 decimal. He is asking for accounting number with the 0 decimal places. We will press OK and OK this one. So now here in the average estimation value also we will go to the value field setting. We will go to the number format. We will go to the accounting and with the 0 decimal and press OK and OK. Then now we have got the values in the accounting number format. That's our 8th step. Our 9th step is the summary sheet is designed to display the two key averages from the pivot table on the summary sheet. Display the summary sheet. So we will go to the summary sheet. That's our summary sheet. What he is saying, in the cell B2 insert a get pivot data function that reference the cell C4 of the pivot table in the sold out sheet. So we will go to the cell B2. We will put here. We will go to the sold out worksheet and we will go to the cell. Which one cell? Here he is asking that cell C4 of the pivot table on the sold out worksheet. So we will go to the cell C4. That's our cell C4. We will press enter. So we have got our average anniversary edition canvas value in the cell B2, and in the cell B3 insert get pivot data function to the cell reference C9 on the pivot table. So we will go here. We will press is equal to. We will go to the sold out worksheet and we will go to the cell C9. So you see here. Here we will see get pivot table data formula and we will press enter. So we have got our value in here in the summary, both cells B2 and B3. That's our 9th step. We have total 23 steps of this assignment. I have performed 9 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you want to deal for your complete course, you can contact me also. uh, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.